This time we talk about he is so ready to leave. Fan reacted BTS RM share Instagram update marking 100 days until military discharge. BTS RM is nearing the end of his military service on March 2, 2025. The rapper posted on Instagram update to mark the milestone. He felt a message for himself as he counted down to his discharge, addressing himself in their third person. Mr. Kim Namjoon, you have 100 days until you are discharged and be strong. You will be able to get out soon enough. The post quickly caught army attention, with many pointing out that RM looks more than ready to return to the civilian life. One man commented, "He's so ready to leave. Someone get him out of that place already." And fans are eagerly counting down to RM return. Some express excitement, calling BTS their family and the anticipating their reunion so close, then we can have our family back together. A fan remarked, "Can't wait to see you soon, my love." A person said, "I'm having a barbecue party the day my man is discharged. I am celebrating his freedom." Another fan mentioned, and fans are also cheering RM on, urging him to stay strong. Others are sending him word of encouragement. The time will now fly. Hold on tonight, Juni, a viewer noted. Hang in there, love, a star user wrote. And the Juni baby hang in there a little bit more. Another netizen added. Yes, RM had mentioned reaching the 100-day milestone last month as well. BTS RM shared a message with fans on viewers on one Friday and February 1, 2025, updating them about his military service. He also posted a selfie in his uniform, translated by the ex-user, and he joked about ongoing, saying he is 32 in Korean age but insists he's 30 internationally. The group leader called himself an old uncle, and they compared today's 30 to begin younger in the past generation. RM shared that he has been promoted to sergeant and believes the other BTS members in service have too. He is glad his next promotion will be able to civilian. The South Korean rapper wrote, "Have a happy new year. Since I forgot to wish you at the beginning of the year, I am Kim Namjoon and am now finally a sergeant, Sergeant Kim." And Kim Namjoon recalled instructor telling him that 2025 felt far away. However, he added that now the time has passed. It feels longer than 2 years. The K-pop idol described 2024 as one eventful year that he won't forget. And the Wings artist admitted feeling relieved on the Jin and the BTS J-Hope completed his mandatory military service. Kim shared that once discharged and he has plenty to tell the fan. "I return as the civilian Kim Namjoon. I have so many things that I want to tell you, including things that are difficult to talk about right now. I think I should be able to talk about them in my own way at some point," he added. RM noted that with February beginning, he has about 4 months left. By March, he will reach the 100-day mark. The South Korean star spent their time working out, playing in the military band, watching movie, and preparing for his return. He mentioned shaving his head for his promotion, but shared an older picture before the haircut. BTS RM enlisted for mandatory military service on December 11, 2023. He is set to finish and be discharged in June 2025. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.